Hey guys, welcome to Around the World. I'm Erik, and in this video I'd like to show you around on a beautiful trip with my friends here in Scotland. Let's go!
This video is as much about friendship as it is about Scotland. I made this trip with Arne, Kees and Raymond. They are my friends which I've known for years, been to kindergarten with, and one of them even became my brother-in-law. We make these yearly trips to have long hikes while we talk about nothing and everything at the same time. But above all, we make these trips to play cards and make tons of stupid jokes. More about that later. This year's trip was to a little Scottish town called Everymore. You can find Everymore at the edge of Cairngorms National Park in the Scottish Highlands. This park is known for its ancient forests. Really, lots of forest. Even more forest. Little creeks in the forest. And places that used to be forest. But this park is also known for its mountain trails. Clearly, no forest here. And of course, Scotland wouldn't be Scotland without some secluded lochs, like this one, called Loch Morlich. What you see here is pretty unique. This is Scotland on a hot summer day. In Scotland it rains a lot, and in wintertime the lochs freeze, snow falls, and the weather gets pretty rough, which makes this landscape even more beautiful sometimes. But today it is exceptionally hot, with hardly any clouds. A great day to get high up in the sky and see the magnitude of this place. This park goes on forever. You can walk for miles and miles without crossing anyone or anything but beautiful sights. So that's exactly what we did. We walked and walked, sat down when our feet needed a break, or we wanted to have some extra time to take it all in. Like here, at this place, where trees look like true statues. The higher we went, the further we could see. We challenged ourselves to make it all the way up to the top, where even though it was a hot 27 degrees Celsius down in the valley, the slopes were still covered in snow. We even came across a familiar travel buddy on our way up. Our one and only travel duck. Thanks to my friends, it's not hard to guess where it is in the video this time, since they couldn't suppress the strong urge to clearly point it out each time we crossed it. Thanks guys. I'll try to hide it better in the next video again without my friends being around. After tons of steps forwards and upwards, we made it to the top where stones were piled up. A great spot to enjoy a good lunch and the stunning view surrounding us. But it is not just walking that we did. Like I said, the whole reason for this trip was just to play cards. It might sound a bit old-fashioned, and to be frank, it might just be old-fashioned. For us, it's a test to see if our friendship still holds when we're over 80 years old and might not be able to do much more else than playing cards. So we meet 3, 4, maybe 5 times a year just to play cards until the middle of the night. Until we can't play no more. We play in bars, restaurants, pubs, we eat a little, and we play again. We play outside, inside, in cozy places, or in places that are everything but cozy. We play cards just for the sake of playing cards, while we all know it's not about playing cards at all. It's about spending the most precious thing that we have together, time. We share our thoughts, we share laughs. We talk about world peace, about the possible meaning of life, about beliefs, or about nothing at all. We are able to insult each other deeply and laugh about it so hard that tears run down our face. That is where true friendship shows. We spend time that is impossible to reproduce. Time at which everything that exists is shared, or a time at which nothing is shared at all besides each other's company. When we spend time and someone asks us how it was, the only possible answer that completely covers it all is it was good. We had a good time.
So that's it. I hope you liked the tour. Let me know where you'd like to travel next by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more 360 travel videos. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you around.